So if you're like me and you've ever tried to move something, a heavy piece upstairs, it can be a challenge. So thank you to KEDSUM for gifting me this stair climbing dolly to try out. I think they've done a great job in terms of design to help you get those larger pieces of furniture or items upstairs. So first of all, I like the portability of it. It does collapse down quite well so that when you're moving the dolly itself, it goes down pretty small. It's a good weight. It has weight to it. It's not lightweight. It certainly feels very strong. It does have two lengths for extending the arm out. You hit the first one, and then you push the button and you can get to the second one. So you can extend it out, and it has some adjustability there. So what I really like about this is the starting position is here. You load your item on. There are two wheels that help you transfer the weight over to the three wheels that will help you go up the stairs. So I like that those extra two wheels are there to kind of help in that transfer. Now the unique thing about this dolly compared to other dollies is the three wheels, which really helps. They rotate as you go up the stairs. So as a quick demonstration as to how this works, it's those three wheels that rotate. So when you hit the stairs, they rotate, which really helps make it so easy to get upstairs. I think they've done a great job in the design, and I really like what they've done here. It's a good quality product, and I think will serve you well if you're moving things upstairs.